These are the exact bytes RustDesk sends over the wire, hand-built in Rust. By the end, you'll speak its remote control protocol yourself. RustDesk is an open-source remote desktop app. Think TeamViewer or AnyDesk, but you host it. 118,000 stars, written in Rust. And it works out of the box with zero configuration. The pitch is control. Your data, your server, no third party watching your screen. It runs everywhere. Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, even Wayland. And it does peer-to-peer with hole punching. Full remote control, file transfer, TCP tunneling. This is a serious, mature project. Now building the whole app is heavy. You need VCPKG, native video codecs, and GTK. The Docker file alone installs a dozen dev libraries and compiles CMake from source. That's a big afternoon. So instead, let's go straight to the interesting part. The thing that makes RustDesk actually work. Deep in the code lives HBB common. It holds the video codec, the config, and the protocol definitions. RustDesk talks in protobuf messages: login, mouse, keyboard, video. All defined in one file, message.proto. We'll rebuild that layer ourselves. First, the basics. Install curl and a C compiler. Then install Rust with RustUp. Minimal profile, stable toolchain. Takes about a minute. Source the cargo environment so the compiler's on your path. Now we've got Rust ready. Here's the trick. The proto files live in a submodule that isn't checked out in the main repo. So we clone HBB common directly. This is RustDesk's real common library, straight from their GitHub. We copy just one file across, message.proto, the actual schema for every command RustDesk sends. Now our little project. In cargo.toml, we pin protobuf 3.7, the exact version HBB common uses. The build script generates Rust code from the proto. We use pure Rust code gen, so no protoc binary needed. That pure mode matters. It means anyone can build this with nothing but Rust installed. No system tools. One small module wires the generated types into our crate. Now we can construct real RustDesk messages. Let's build a session by hand. First, a login request. Username, password hash, the client's peer info. We attach the auth hash, the salt and challenge RustDesk uses to verify you. This is the real handshake. Next, a mouse event. Coordinates and a button mask. This is exactly what moves the cursor on the remote machine. Then a key event. We send Control plus A. A real keystroke, encoded the way the remote side expects. And finally, a video frame carrying an H.264 payload. That's the screen data streaming back to you. Each message gets serialized to bytes. These are the literal packets that would travel over the network. Then we decode them straight back. Round trip. If the bytes are correct, they parse into identical structs. Now the moment. Run cargo run. First time, it compiles protobuf and generates the code from the proto. After the dependencies build once, the whole thing finishes in a few seconds. Fast. And there it is. The login request, serialized to bytes, then decoded right back. Perfect match. The mouse move round trips. Control A round trips. We just spoke RustDesk's input protocol from scratch. And the video frame comes back intact. That's the exact wire format behind every RustDesk screen share. One honest caveat. We dropped rendezvous.proto since one repeated bytes field tripped the codegen. Message.proto alone compiles clean, and it's the fun part. If you just want the app, grab a pre-built binary from releases, or get it on FlatHub and F-Droid. The code's at github.com/rustdesk/rustdesk. Clone HBB on common, poke at message.proto, and build your own client. Go try it.